You've probably had this problem before where your eyelids just don't seem to clean up when you're using Auto Headshot and Character Creator 3. So I'm going to show you how to fix that right now. Open Character Creator 3. Find a profile image you want to use, drag that into Auto Headshot here. Choose the character, the age, and generate. This will take a little time. Once it's generated, you'll see everything lines up pretty good. This is a quick study, so there's a lot of adjustments that would have to be made to make this actually look like Clint Eastwood, but it's got some of the similar features. But the eyes, after we change the color of these, if you close these eyes, you'll see that the skin didn't mesh up very well with the mesh of the figure. So under settings, you can close the eyes. You can see there's like some weirdness going on in the eyelid. So go to eyelid mask and change that to maximum upper eyelid fill, and then regenerate, update skin texture, and it'll clean all that up. So now you can open the eyes, close the eyes, and everything looks a little bit more normal.